Hi, I'm Jeff McIntyre, the founder of Rolling Stone Pizza. The original way Rolling Stone Pizza started was just finding a different way of making pizzas that would appeal to the Thai market. Training in it and developing and branding the concept to be something different. I grew up in Toronto, a Canadian city close to the United States, and there's a lot of influence in all the foods that we have there. And so what I've tried to do is to create a hybrid American-Italian style thin crust pizza with more of a North American flavor. The rest of the menu we have is chicken wings and salads and pastas are also influenced by what I was surrounded by, in my youthful days. Rolling Stone Pizza it's a fun environment. It's a family centered, but it's also great for couples to come, and it's great to hang out with friends. Sit at the long table on a Friday night and have adult beverages and good food.